guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gideon Teresa. In today's video I want to show you how you can add your shipping address on 1688. How to add shipping address on 1688. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. So I want to copy the shipping company address. I want to copy it now. So I'll go to my notes. And then okay, let me go back. So I paste. Then you see this place. Shipping. Sorry. Let me go again. This phone number and address, then this side too. You have to change it to your own name and then phone number. So I'll be doing that now. Sorry. So my name and then phone number. Then I come to this place too. Okay, so now copy and then we'll go to 1688. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so, as this will help us to ginger me to do more videos. And if there is any video you want me to do, please tell me. I will do it. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Like and share to help more people to see. Okay, so this place now, as you can see, the interface now has changed a little bit. Before you will see something like head, like avatar head here, this place. So it's not more like that again. So it's just, but what you need to do is, see this place. Sorry, let me go again. Sorry, let me screenshot it and show you very. This one is doing somehow. Okay, so see this place that my hand, this place I'm circling here, this place, that is what you click. That is your avatar. That's the me icon. That's what you click. Okay, so let's click it and then you come to settings. You click on settings. Why is this not picking? Settings, this place. Once we click it, then it will bring us to this interface. Then you click on this one here. Click on this one here. So let's go. So these are the address I have here before. This is the address I have here. So now I want to add the new ones. What do I click to add the new address? This one, this orange button here. So I click it and it brings me here. So what you need to do is to paste that address I copied from my notes. So I paste it here like this, and then I click this place. It will automatically fill it for you. So I click it. Can you see? So you can see something here. This place, it's just supposed to be my name and my phone number, nothing more, just my name and my phone number. Do you get? So what I will do is from here and I'll delete that postal code from there. And then my name is showing twice, so I'll delete the first one too. Okay, so what this thing is saying is, this Chinese that is here, what it's saying is that you cannot have more than 25 characters. Your name cannot be more than 25 characters here. So you can see we are done, we are done, we are done with the whole process. Here we are done. You can see that automatically fill it, your name, their phone number, their postal code, and the address. You can see that my name is also showing here again. Can you see? This is phone number, this is phone number. So let me delete one. It's just one I need. Okay, so we are good to go like this. We are just good to go. So what you need to click is, if you want to make this address your default address, as anytime you want to put, send buy something on China, I want to make this address your own, this way you click, this way. If you turn it on now, because let me turn it on. Can you see? It will automatically make it my default address. Do you get? But I don't need it now for my default address because it's for just C shipping. It's just C shipping that they do. They don't do A. So I can't use it now except I want to buy something through C. Do you get? So I'm not making it my default address. So I'm done with everything. So what I need to click is this orange button here. This orange button here. Then I click it. Okay, let me turn this on. Can you see our address now? Can you see? This is the address here. Where is my arrow? This is it. Can you see? This is the address. So for us to be sure, let me open it for you so you can see what I'm saying. Can you see? Can you see that it's the same? It's the address. Can you see? Can you see? This is the address we just added now. So this is how you can add shipping address to your 1688. 1688. So next I will make a video on how to update your 1688. So stay glued to this page, this channel, so you can see, I will get to see the videos. I will be sharing more content, more useful content on this channel. So please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you'll be part of the first people that will receive notification when we post a new video like this. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love you.